And welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is the 14th of February. It's a Wednesday and we're going to have a look at what happened on gold, GBPUSD and GJ throughout the day. So this is yesterday. So we're coming into today. This is what happened during the London session. We had a brief break below on gold. It was not really moving too much, but we had a brief break and retest below these lows. I think I got missed by the sell limit already over there. So this is during the morning. Yes, so this is on GBPUSD. Let's see. No, okay, I don't have anything on gold for the morning. And we saw this movement was a nice around 30 pips downswing. After that we saw a lower but still like a 40 pip correction, but the main event was happening during the New York session. So I waited because gold was in a range, so I was playing with GBPUSD. When I saw this spike in volatility on gold and an aggressive break below these lows, that's when I actually placed my sell limit. You can see it over here. This is just basically at the end, because on gold I only acted after everything. So after seeing this nice spike in volatility, I placed my sell limit at the previous lows and also the hourly PSA. You can see that it got activated, nice, around 5 pips of drawdown, and after that it went into profits. So that's the thing. Usually I have at 20 pip I have the stop loss that goes at break even. At first you can see that I should have had the TP at the hourly on the left hand side. Okay, sorry about that. And because if you can see over here on the left hand side, that's where that's where we add the previous hourly close. So this I wrote it when I got a little bit scared, because we got this huge reaction from these lows. I said, damn it, I should have placed it at 27 pips instead of 30. But instead, I actually trusted it and said, okay, yeah, it's okay. But I know that if it breaks below, it might go even further to around 40-45 pips. So what I did was, okay, if the stop loss, if the price goes to 30 pips, I want you to place the stop loss at 20 pips, so that in any case I am having some profits. You can see that the price goes to around 37 pips, so this rule gets activated. But yeah, I had the stop loss at the TP at 45 pips, and we can see that it retraced after this bounce all the way back to the entry. So I got out at 20 pip of win. Nice, because also this retest, if I didn't have the break-even rule, this retest would have gone actually to around 45 pips, the original one. So that was an interesting part. When I saw this continuation down, that's where I actually placed another sell limit right at the break below these lows. This one got a loss, a 10 pip loss. After that was a nice, interesting, because I've seen now nice correction, break and retest of this area, exact same area, which would have worked quite nicely, quite even. I mean, okay, I was not on the chart at this moment. Yeah, I was already out, but very nice break and retest for the possible 40 pips. And after that, we'll continue even further, probably even further up. So this was on gold, very interesting late in the session, because it was basically at the 10 a.m. Eastern candle. So a lot of patience throughout this early start of New York, where anything and nothing really happened, but ready to take advantage of the first breakout. Yeah, of course, I should have taken, if I just stick to my rules, a 30 pip, I would have been more profitable than that, but that's okay. I also have, this one is a very nice retest, so I just saw, because I was not at the charts. Now let's go into, I guess, GJ, because GJ is the one that we're going to look at the less. And yeah, something just interesting, this was during the pre-New York. It was about this breakout retest of these order block highs and the PPL. You can see how it would have worked pretty nice and fast, 19 pips in a matter of just a few minutes, and then also another retest of the same area. This one would have been a break-even trade, so that's still giving enough room to go to break-even at a 2-to-1, or if taking 2-to-1 trades would have been a TP. But yeah, after that we saw a correction. We have a break below these lows, which would have been another possible win. If you see, just see break below these lows. In this case, would have been another win over there. Very nice. It goes there, 3 pips, and then goes there, 16 pips. Very good. And that's pretty much it for GJ. Nothing really happening. We had something, yeah, during the London, we had some GBP news giving them a weakness, but also the price action was not that clear. Only thing is, below here would have been a break-even trade, this breaker retest below these lows. Now, let's go into GBPUSD. GBPUSD was very interesting, so I saw it from the actual London. As I was saying, this is the same price action that we just saw on GJ. This entry would have been a very nice, very aggressive entry, which would have been a win. But what I did was I placed a sell limit over there. So I saw this break below, and I placed a sell limit exactly, I think, where is the yellow line. So now let's have a look on GBPUSD just to see about my sell limit getting non-activated. You can see how unlucky I was. I got missed by 0.2 pips, and price will go to my entry. We go to the TP from over there. Would have been a TP hit, but I cancelled that. So if I left it over there, if I would have left it over there, this one would have been okay, only 2 pips of drawdown, but then it will go to break even, push back to break even, and then continuation up down. So this is the case where both on gold and the USD, the break even rule would have actually been affecting me. But anyway, I didn't take further trades. Could have had something over here, but yeah, for a break even trade. What I saw was actually this one. So we can have a look at the actual trades taken. Let me check if I missed anything over here. Okay, yeah, okay. You see that I got this one missed, and then I took this one. But below the price is very aggressively breaking below these lows. I place a sell limit and get stopped out. It's fine. It's absolutely okay. After that, what I see is this. Like we saw on the other pairs, like on GJ or gold, they just the correction. So after bouncing from an hourly PSA, we see a breakout, a very nice 2-minute candles, and a retest. I had the buy limit exactly on this yellow line, and you can see how it got missed again by a very few. So also this one got missed. Okay, so this entry again, so I placed this one would have been a break even, yes, but I placed my sell limit exactly on this yellow line, and it got missed, as you can see, by 0.2 pips. Would have been a break even because price would only go around 6 pips, 6-7 pips. I would have needed a break below these lows for an actual continuation. But yeah, just to show you another unlucky missed entry. This was the buy limit, as I was saying, that at first did not get triggered. Okay, you can see this is on gold, this is okay. You see I placed my buy limit exactly on this dot. The thing is that the price would miss it by 0.2 pips. This time, instead of removing it like I did before, I kept it. So I kept it at the same level, and yeah, that's where it got activated a few minutes later, around 1.9 pips of drawdown, and then the price will go to my TP. You can see I had a very nice full win, 10 pips. That was absolutely great. Then what I did was same thing. So you can see the price action is moving the same way. I placed a buy limit over there. It got missed again. Now we're going to see it because this is where the buy limit was. You can see how it got missed by 0.2 pips, 1-2 times, and this time would not go to a win, would go to around 8.8 pips a few times, but then it got activated, and when it got activated, only pushed a little bit up to 3.7, so my break even was over here, just 1 pip above, and then it pushes down into a loss. But you can see how yeah, this is the win. I had my buy limit, look how by how much it was missed, and it will go, this one will probably go almost at break even, not even, but yeah, to around 8 pips. I don't know if I would have taken the TP over there or not, but yeah, that's about it. And after that, I saw this one would have gone to break even, but I didn't take it, and I took, around this time, I took the other thing on gold, which, as I told you, the best idea, if I was just using the my setup, would have been a 30 pip win instead of a 20, but I was also aiming and sort of trusting, having faith that it will go push it way down. You can see that if I didn't get the break-even rule, just in this case, would have gone to 45 pips, so that's absolutely okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and tomorrow is Thursday, and we're going towards the end of the week, and I see you tomorrow.